Welcome aboard Cash Hero, your ultimate hub for mastering the art of making money online. At Cash Hero, our mission is crystal clear: to equip individuals like you with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Whether you're a novice looking to dip your toes into the online world or a seasoned pro seeking to sharpen your strategies, our channel is your go-to resource. Our commitment to your success doesn't end with just delivering content. We're building a vibrant community where you can connect, learn, and grow together. Now here's where you come in. We need your support to make this journey truly impactful. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve with our latest insights. Don't forget to show some love with a thumbs up and drop a comment sharing your thoughts and ideas. In today's video, I'll be unveiling the ultimate hack to snagging Canva Pro for free, step by step. This powerhouse tool will revolutionize how you create captivating visual content online. So hang tight after the intro because you won't want to miss out on this game-changing tutorial. Let's dive in and make those digital dreams a reality together. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign up for the free version of Canva if you haven't already. Go to canva.com and create a free account using your email or social media accounts. This is a crucial step as we will be upgrading this free account to Canva Pro later in the tutorial. Now click on the article link provided in the description box below and scroll down to the bottom of the article where you will find a countdown timer. Wait until the countdown finishes to unlock the link that you will be directed to. Now in the final step, after the link is unlocked, you need to solve the CAPTCHA and complete one of the offers to unlock the final link. Once you complete the offer, you'll be automatically redirected to the final page. Scroll down to the bottom of the article and wait for 10 seconds. Then, click on the button and congratulations! You now have a lifetime subscription to Canva Pro for free. Enjoy! Finally, if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Your support encourages us to create more videos in the future. Thank you for your support and for being a part of our journey.